Hi, my name is Devin-Norelle. I am a model, writer, I am a trans advocate and a budding actor, and I am the face of Transcend. So the notes of dragon fruit and Palo Santo are like super relaxing. And for me, whenever I'm wearing this, I feel like I'm chilling on the beach in the Caribbean and I'm sipping on a pina colada, like nothing can go wrong. I'm just having a great day. So this is made with a bi-phase formula, which means you have to shake it before you use it. Very outcast, shake it. And it's oil-based, so it's moisturizing. When I'm starting my day, part of my self-care routine, other than like say skincare or just brushing my teeth, is putting on Transcend because it's relaxing, it calms me down. Sometimes I wake up with an overwhelming amount of anxiety and it really just kind of brings me down a notch so that I can focus on all the work that I need to do for the day. This fragrance is completely gender-free. It combines masculine and feminine notes to create something new and unique. Now I just felt relaxed, refreshed, and ready to go.